In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Docusign account. Now, whether you've decided it's time to move on, or you simply found a better alternative that suits your needs, knowing how to navigate through this process is essential. It's a straightforward procedure, but I'll make sure to guide you through every step clearly and concisely. First, you'll need to log into your Docusign account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and head over to https://account.docusign.com. Once there, enter your login credentials and sign into your account. If you're not familiar with logging into Docusign, remember you'll need your email address along with your password to access your dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options. What you're going to do next is either select Go to Admin or My Preferences. These options give you access to the administrative settings where you can make changes to your account status, among other things. After making this selection, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a menu. From this menu, click on Billing. Docusign organizes all billing and plan-related information here, making it easy for users to manage their subscriptions. Within the billing section, you'll see an option labeled Plan and Billing Info. Clicking on this will provide you with specific details about your current plan, payment methods, and importantly, the doorway to cancel your subscription. Now, to proceed further, locate the Cancel Plan or Close Account button. Selecting this will initiate the cancellation process. Docusign may prompt you with on-screen instructions that you need to follow to confirm your cancellation. Make sure you read through any information provided, as they might highlight the effects of closing your account or canceling your plan. It's worth noting that Docusign might ask for feedback concerning your cancellation. Providing feedback is optional, but it can be a good opportunity to voice why you're leaving the service. After completing all necessary steps, confirm your decision, and you should receive confirmation of your cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the cancellation process of your Docusign account. Remember that properly canceling your subscription ensures you won't face any unexpected charges in the future, and it's an excellent way to keep your digital life tidy. If you ever decide to return, Docusign's platform will be ready to welcome you back